Hello guys, welcome to our weekly Forex forecast. As usually, we're gonna start with Euro US dollar on the weekly time frame. If you still remember guys that we've been calling for a sell opportunities. We've been calling for sell opportunities in the past 2-3 weeks, if I can still remember correctly. Now this sell opportunity hasn't come yet. Okay, so I decided to show you the bigger picture. Okay, now if you can see that we've got wave 1 here, we've got wave 2, we've got wave 3, wave 4. This whole thing right here is an ending diagonal called wave 5. Okay, now this right here, it's our A, this is our B, this is our C right here. So if this is our C, it makes up a B. Now this whole structure right here makes up this A, this blue A. Now this wave A, B, C, it makes up this blue B wave. We are expecting this wave to these levels or to even break these lows right here to this here. This is the wave that we are expecting. It's a bigger wave. It's a huge wave. That's how we see it. Now let's go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the lower structure, the inner structure. Now let's show you what is happening right here. This is our A, this is our B. Now this C wave is a complicated structure, or a complicated structure. That's how I can put it. It gave us an A wave, a B. Now this is a C wave, an extended C wave. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. Now I want to show you guys this extension. Where does it come from, or where is it exactly? If you can see, here is our wave 4. Our wave 4 terminated right here. Now starting from here, this is Roman figure 1, Roman figure 2, this is 4, this is 3, sorry, this is 4 right here. Now this whole thing right here is wave E, or Roman figure 5, in an ending diagonal structure. That means that ending diagonal structure is wave 5. This is the extension that has made this wave so long. Okay, so coming into the next week, we will only be looking for sell opportunities. We don't mean that this market cannot still go up, but we say we will only be looking for sell opportunities. And the correction, it's going to be an opportunity for us for a move down to break even these lows right here. As I showed you on the bigger time frame, that we are expecting a much bigger wave to the downside. This is the wave that we'll be interested on only. We will only be interested on selling Euro US dollar in the coming weeks. We know that we've been saying this for the past 2-3 weeks, but this is what we are expecting. This is what we see as the data shows us. Okay, so enough about this. I hope it's clear enough for you guys to understand it. Okay, so let's go to the Great Britain US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. This is the structure that we have on the weekly time frame. This structure right here is a W. We see this structure as a W and that structure as an X. We're expecting a wave down like this. Let's go to the lower time frames. Daily time frame. On this one, this market gave us an A. This right here is a B. Now, this right here is an A, B, and a C. This whole thing makes up a C, a wave C. So this is a complete structure. Now, what are we going to be doing for next week? For next week, the only trade that we'll be interested on is the sell trade. As we've been singing the same song in the past 2-3 weeks, that we are only interested in selling this market. Same thing from next week, that we will sell any sell opportunity, we'll take it to the downside. We're expecting this market to even come to these lows. That's what we are expecting, this market to come to these lows. Unless the data that is yet to come shows us otherwise. Otherwise, coming to the following week, we're expecting this market to go to the downside. We go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, same thing. This right here is an ending diagonal structure. This is an ending diagonal structure. It gave us a 1 or a Roman figure 1, Roman figure 2, Roman figure 3. This is 4. This is 5. This whole thing is 5. So we are expecting a sell opportunity. Every sell opportunity, we will be taking it. This doesn't mean that this market cannot push higher, but it simply means that we are only interested in selling this market. We will only be looking for sell opportunities in Great Britain US dollar. Okay, so we think that is enough for you. Let's go to the CAD Japanese yen. On the CAD Japanese yen, for the past weeks, this has been folding out nicely for us. If you can still remember, guys, that but last week or in the past few weeks, we had this as an X. This A right here, we said it's an X. We said it's a W, sorry. Then we said this right here, this B, we said it's an X. We said this one is a Y. We said this one is another X. We said this is a Z. But as we review, as we're doing our analysis this weekend, we saw that this whole thing right here is a triangle. That means this is an A, B, C, D, and an E with an overshoot E wave. So we've got this whole move right here. The market has bounced sharply. So what are we expecting in the coming week? What are we expecting in the coming week is that it's either we are done, we are finished with this move down, then we're heading to the upside, or we will get a correction, a move higher, then another move down. That's what can happen in the coming week. For us, we will just sit on the sidelines on this one. We won't commit our money on this market. We'll just sit on the sideline. It's not clear yet, okay? The markets that will really be interested in selling are Euro US dollar, Great Britain US dollar, those two. we will be committing our money on them on the sell sides. Okay, so that's about it, guys. I hope this helps you a lot. We would like to also take this time, guys, to thank everybody who is subscribing into our YouTube channel. You are supporting us, and also we ask to you guys to also invite all people or other people to come and join us here to get this analysis, the one that you also get for free. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice week ahead. Thank you.